Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful booking real estate template in Next.js. I must say, the booking real estate experiences, car, flights, etc. So first, you can see we have the hotel car experience booking template. See, so friends, before showing you walking demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So okay, first you can see the booking hotel car experience template. See the top section, and the main hero section. See friends, hotel car experience. Wish with us your trip is filled with amazing experience. Advanced search. See guys, just brilliant. Let's go on an adventure. See, with carousel, beautiful section, happening cities. See, just beautiful. Feature place to stay. See guys, New York, Tokyo, Paris, the beautiful tabs. See, I'm sure you would like this template. And below we have, see the more things, how it works. See, become a host. See friends, join our newsletter section, just brilliant. Explore nearby section. Why did you choose a section? Explore by types of stays. See friends, the carousel, the video section, good news from far away section, the testimonials, and the beautiful footer. And next we have the real estate booking template. See, just beautiful. Advanced search. See friends, just beautiful. Real estate booking template. And next we have the car booking, find rides. See, just beautiful. See friends, booking rides template. See, just brilliant. And next we have guys the flights. And before showing you flights, I must say a few things. If you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID. And friends, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. And also, on my blog, you will get multiple free things as well. And back to the flights, booking flights. And sorry, my kids is just awake. And the book flight template. See guys, over 3,000 flights. See, explore world with us, and it's a beautiful section, and so on. So guys, see, these are few templates. And also we have discover adventures. See, so I can say this is the complete booking template for flights, rides, car and hotels, and multiple so on. So friends, I must say you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.